I got these Rice Krispies on sale for 47 cents after Valentine's Day and Halloween. They had some for Christmas too, but I didn't need any more. First thing you're going to want to do is spray your baking pan so that they come out easily. Now, I'm using a silicone baking pan, but you don't have to. You can just use a regular baking pan. I just happen to have this one. Okay, so we're going to melt our butter in the pan. And when this is melted, we are making chocolate cherry Rice Krispie treats. We're going to add cherry gelatin. All right, when your butter or margarine is melted, you're going to add cherry jello. And we're going to stir that in. Then we're going to add our marshmallows. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2, page 291, 25% off right now. The recipe is in the description below. Would you like a marshmallow, honey?
Sure. Happy Valentine's Day to me.
Okay, now we're going to get this all melted. Okay, while that's melting, we're going to get our Rice Krispies, and this is, how many cups? 8 cups. Isn't that festive?
Yes. What a coincidence that you got the Valentine's colors.
For Valentine's Day? That's called planning ahead. All right, so my marshmallows are getting melted. Yum. Took it off the heat so it doesn't burn. While my marshmallows continue to finish melting here, just keep stirring. All right, we are almost there. We're almost there. Then we have our Rice Krispies. Okay. Now I moved over here so Mike can film easier, and I probably should have gotten a bigger spoon, but I don't believe in dirtying extra dishes. Okay, I'm going to have to get an extra spoon.
The big one, I think.
Okay, here we go. Yum aroma. All right, now, yes, for everyone asking, I did wash my hands. Now, we're going to take and put this in our pan. Okay, now you can put a little butter on your hands. You can put a little cooking spray on your hands, or you can take a leftover butter or margarine. Now, I just keep these in a little zip top bag in the refrigerator. And then when I need one, I just pull it out or use the one that I used in the recipe. Okay, and get this all nice and smooth. Now we're going to let this cool, then we're going to cut and put our chocolate on. All right, our Rice Krispies are all set up. Woo, those look good. Now, we are going to cut these. I want these really large because they're going for a bake sale. So,
You weren't kidding.
they got to be impressive.
6 Rice Krispie treats. You would usually get like 18 of them out of that pan.
Yeah. Okay, so now I have Easter bunnies. That's milk chocolate that I got on clearance after Easter. So what I'm going to do is melt this for my chocolate on my Rice Krispie treats. Okay, I'm going to need way more chocolate than that. Okay, so these are casualties of Easter, and I got these for a quarter. So 25 cents for how much milk chocolate? For 8 ounces of milk chocolate for 25 cents. That's a pretty darn too good deal. There you go, Peter. Rest in pieces. Let's go melt this. Oh, I crack me up. Sometimes I'm the only one I crack up, but I crack me up.
I was going to make a Wasco-y Wabbit joke. I just couldn't think of the right one. Holy moly, if they're that giant, how much are you going to sell them for?
Like $5.
Are there only going to be 6 of them?
Got like, I have all those plus 6 more boxes of Rice Krispies.
But you're only making the video from one batch? I see. So you're going to be busy.
Yes. Okay, you stir your chocolate in between microwaving so that your chocolate doesn't burn on the bottom of your measuring cup. I don't know why the heat all concentrates down there, but it does. Somebody can give me the workings of a microwave description. Okay, make it the short version so I don't have to go through a 15-page comment. Okay, just a tad more. All right, I'm pretty sure, yes. Okay, now just to make these a little bit more uniform, I'm going to cut off the edges on these ones because I didn't cut it straight down the middle. Okay, it's a little bit better. Oh, guess who gets to eat? Are you
I
sad?
was going to say, oh darn, there's all those little pieces that have to be eaten.
Okay. Now, here, just make sure it looks nice and pretty. And let's make this one nice and pretty. And we'll make this one nice and pretty. Okay, OCD is taking over. Stop! Okay. There. Now, here comes the fun part. Are you ready? All right, this one got a little too clumpy, so let's just take a fork and okay, that's not working very well.
Do you remember the Which of These Things Doesn't Belong song?
Okay, here we go. Now, this is Mike's Testing one.
I'll be out of the shot.
Okay, chocolate.
Mmm.
Chocolate cherry Rice Krispie treats.
Mm-hmm.
All right, on to the next one. Wow, testing all these isn't really going to help with weight loss, is it?
No.